We're here today with Alison from Verosol. Alison, thank you for your time. And for people that are about to select blinds and curtains for their home, what tips can you give them to help them on that journey?
Quite a few.
Yes.
First of all, I would ask them, is it a new build or an existing home?
Sure.
So have they lived in the space? Do they know how the space works and
Right.
what sort of areas they want to treat? Or is it a new build that they haven't experienced? We really need sizes for window treatments to know what sort of treatments we can suggest for the space. But some of the reasons you would select blinds or curtains would be, is it an easterly aspect or a westerly aspect? So do you have a really high heat and sun issue?
Yes.
So is temperature or light going to be an issue? Is the space that you're treating going to have a lot of glare on the TV, perhaps, if you're looking at treating your lounge room space?
Privacy.
Privacy, so for your bedroom, you don't want people looking in at
Absolutely.
night. So we want to absolutely create some privacy in that kind of space. So I think knowing sizes, understanding the space we're treating, and then finally, I think the fun part is, aesthetically, what do you want it to look and feel like? Do you want to create a very warm, inviting environment? Is it something that you would prefer to be minimal and sort of pared back, or is it that, so trendy Hamptons look with shutters right now? So I think, knowing those few things and coming in for a consultation to start that would be the few tips that I would give to prepare you for having a conversation about window coverings in your home. So here in our showroom at the Build and Design Centre, we have a lot of products on display that you can come and look at, and I would invite you to do so.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.